Hi guys, Jason at Jordan Bikes, ZX10R for you here, anniversary model. Rare these, come have a look. Really nice in the white and green. Nice double bubble screen on there. Power modes, traction control. A few little bits on it, it's got the stomp grip screen as we've said. It's got a nice tail tidy on there. When you swing around in a second you'll see that. One owner bike, really clean and tidy. Only done 4,339 miles, super tidy. Give it a start. It's 2015 on a 65 plate. It said super low mileage, rare anniversary model. Have a good look around that. Come down and see us at Jordan Bikes or give us a call.